How to fix page is not working in Google Chrome. So if you're trying to load a website and it's not loading, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to fix this issue. So first thing you need to do is load up your Chrome browser like this, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then just come down and click on settings. From the left hand side, you'll need to scroll down to extensions and then go and toggle off all of your extensions that you're using. Now you can do that by making sure the button is switched to off like so, and you need to do that with all of your different extensions. You could then close out of this window and come back over to settings, click on system, and where it says use graphics acceleration when available, make sure this is turned off and disabled and click on relaunch. You can then check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, then let's come back over to the settings page. Click on privacy and security and press delete browsing data. Now make sure all time is selected like this. Click on delete data and once again check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then let's click back on the three vertical dots and come over to settings. In the left hand side, select reset settings and click on restore settings to their original defaults. You can then click the reset button. Once you've done this, you should then be able to access any website.